I'd like to ask the chair to furnish all of the members the signed report for the small committee for 2025.
Thank you very much, Representative Chanco. The request will be put under consideration and we will let you know if it's possible to...
Madam Chair, why should it be put under consideration? This is a public record. This is in accordance with the rules. That all committee reports must be given to all members. And that should not be taken against my time because you're telling me that balik natin yung oras ko kasi sinasabi na that will be taken into consideration. It should not be taken into consideration. Madam Chair, allow me to read this, no? Declaration of Principles and Policies. Section number 2 of our rules. Public office is a public trust. The House of Representatives and every member thereof are accountable to the people at all times. I will not read the ending portion. Number 3. Efficient and effective access to and dissemination of appropriate and accurate information are imperative in lawmaking. So why should it be taken into consideration, Madam Chair?
Sabi mo hindi ka pa nakapag-umpisa ng project. Paano ka naging quadruple A?
Ano pa Mr. Chair? Yung sinasabi kong 1992 is highway pa yun. Yung nakita niyo yung highway.
Hindi natin pinag-uusapan yung hardware mo. Pinag-uusapan natin flood control projects. Tinatanong ka kanina, sabi mo hindi ka pa nakapag-umpisa ng flood control projects. Paano ka nagkaroon ng lisensya? Paano ka naging quadruple A? At lalong mahalaga, paano ka nasama sa 15?
Gumawa na tayo ng flood control project.
O ngayon gumawa ka na naman. Ano ba talaga yung totoo? Baka hindi ka makauwi sa araw na ito. Nagsisinungaling ka na naman eh. Ang sinabi ng Pangulo, kasama ka sa 15.
Tama, Mr.
Huwag mong mamaliitin ito. Pagkatas dito, aartihin